Hey there, my name is Katie and this is the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. This video is part of a 3-part mini-series on Thanksgiving dishes, and this is the butternut squash soup recipe. I showed you how to make chocolate cream pie in the first video. The second video is all about making soft and fluffy dinner rolls. Hi Oliver. Soft and fluffy dinner rolls was the second video, and this third video is butternut squash soup. I'm going to try to upload these 3 videos really shortly after each other, so you should be able to find the links to the other videos in the description box below. If not though, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when the video is uploaded. For now though, let's get cooking that butternut squash soup. Here are the ingredients for the creamy butternut squash soup. This is totally vegan, so delicious. You need 2 medium carrots. This one was, whatever. This one was like giant and it had a big weird thing on the end. So 2 medium carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 4. These are like palm-sized, a little smaller than palm-sized gold potatoes. 4 of those, 1 small onion. Need some sage, allspice, a can of coconut milk. You could use light or you could use the creamy kind if you want to go extra rich. You could also just use like regular plant milk and like a cashew milk or almond milk or something. This will just make it a little bit more decadent. And then we're also going to need half of a butternut squash. So I'm going to cut that up, scoop the seeds out, peel it, cube it. Also, I don't like to blend all of my stuff very much, so I'm going to make sure that it is very bite-sized, because I basically just take a potato masher and kind of mash things up once everything is cooked. If you want to blend it when you're done and have it perfectly creamy, if you have an immersion blender or a high-speed blender that you can blend hot stuff in, that it's not going to like explode on you or something, then go for it. I just don't like that, so everything will be chopped pretty much bite-sized. Lastly, I'm going to be making this in my Instant Pot, but you can do all these same directions pretty much on the stovetop if you want to. It'll probably taste really good in a Dutch oven if you made it that way. You'll just need to cook it a lot longer than the Instant Pot, would be my guess. I've never made it on the stovetop. If you want to be really time efficient, chop up some extra carrots and celery while you're doing this. That way you have some prepared for your veggie platter if you're going to have one, or just for snacking on so you have something healthy to eat during the week. Did you know you can actually eat these? I mean, okay, that might kind of sound silly, but when you're doing maximum weight loss, I have eaten these seeds because I didn't want to eat full-on other seeds, and there were just a few in there. I roasted them up. They were so good. People that eat butternut squash a lot probably know a better method than this for peeling them, but it's just me and my chef's knife. We're gonna go for it. Alright, me and my trusty knife, we made it through. I'm going to chop this up and throw it in the Instant Pot. Okay, a couple little things to note. My Instant Pot is just a 3/4. The vegetables come right up to there, according to the way that I chopped them, as well as how much I put in and stuff. So you can adjust this. It's very, very forgiving. This is a 3/4 because I live in an RV and it fits perfectly in the like captain cabinets above my kitchen. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in 2 cups of water, my spices and seasonings, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on. Then I'm gonna cook it for 25 minutes and it's gonna break down really nicely. Honestly, you want to kind of be able to see the water. You can kind of see it right there, but you don't want it to be like overfilled because remember, we're still gonna add in the coconut milk. We're gonna wait until the end to do that. Here's the Instant Pot lid. Okay, mine has venting on both sides. I know it's kind of hard to see right now, but it says venting here and venting here. So you actually want the little bobber, the jiggle top. That's what they're called on the old ones. I don't know what that thing is called, but you want this to be at sealed. Okay, otherwise it's not gonna cook properly. Next, you're gonna hit pressure cook and then you're gonna set it for 25 minutes. I always cover this part with a towel. Then when it's covered, I put it to venting and I release the pressure. You don't need to naturally release the pressure. You totally can, but you don't need to with this dish. The pin dropped down in the back and I'm gonna go ahead and lift the lid off and add in the coconut milk and do the last few things to it that I need to do. Okay, paired with this amazing soup, these rolls are just so good. The soup is delicious. You gotta, sop up the soup with the rolls. It's excellent. Thanks so much for watching this last video of the Thanksgiving 3-part mini-series. I know sometimes it can be a tricky time of year when there are so many meats and dairies on the table that it's just really hard to find something to eat other than salad. I hope that this helps you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, or if it's like summertime next year or whenever and you're watching this, I hope that you enjoy this video. Remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff, and I'll see you on the next video.